Hi, this is Anachalam. Today let us analyze the stock KRBL Limited. Actually, this company has a super business and the business is now at a turnaround moment. So the stock can be benefited because of this strong business. So now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. This is the monthly chart. The stock from the price range of 11 to 700. It's a fantastic moment on upside, and now the stock is ready to give a fantastic opportunity to go long, and it's for long term. The stock is currently at the confluence area, and by analyzing the trend, we can say that the stock is out of the downtrend. So it's currently at a buy, and I think the stock will give a fantastic return, and the stock may also reach the price range of 700 once again. So the stock with a good bullish candles here. Look at the candles. 3 consecutive candles are bullish. So it's a good sign to go long. And the stock will break the price range of 300. So it may move to the price range of 700 very easily. The stock is currently at the major confluence area, but it's out of the downtrend. So look at the trend line drawn. This trend line was taken as the support here. It's taken as a resistance here, and once again it acted as a resistance, and once again it acted as a resistance. But now the stock with good bullish volume and bullish candle broken the resistance, and now it's facing the major confluence area. The confluence area should be broken in the stock to go long, and the stock is bullish right now, so one can go long at current market price. For more precise entry and exits, let's move to the weekly chart. Before moving to the weekly chart, make sure you join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. And in Telegram group, you can ask your doubts regarding the stock or any other concepts or any other stocks. And so use the link given below in the description to join our Telegram group. In the weekly chart, we can see that the clear momentum on upper side. The momentum is gaining day by day, so the stock will break the price range of 300 very easily. The stock will also break the 370 range very easily because of the strong momentum here. Look at the wick here next to the breakout candle. The wick shows a huge buying pressure at the lower levels, so still there is buying pressure in the stock. One can go long in the stock even now, and one can expect the price 700 in a long run, that too in a bull case, but one can expect the price range of 450 as primary target for the stock. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze further. So this is the daily chart. So one can go long at current market price, or one can expect the stock to break this range and take a retracement like this. It's a type of retracement. A good retracement will always with a small and less volatile candles, so that the sellers will take a break even there. After such move, the stock will start moving higher. So one can take entry at retracement also, and one can take at the top of the breakout, so that you will get a good returns. So enter 25% at current market price and enter 25% at the retracement zone and take 50% at the breakout of the previous high, so that you will get a good reward in long run. And the stock is very bullish right now, so it's good to go long at the current market price, and one can expect the price range of 370 as the first target. And this stock is very good for long term, so hold the stock till it breaks the 200-day moving average, and you can place 700 as a predetermined target for the stock, which is a previous all-time high. So 700 price range can be taken as a major target for long term. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos.